Start by matching wire colors to labeled terminals before you touch anything and confirm against the unit's diagram. On most Goodman condensers, the run capacitor is dual, with 3 terminals labeled common, fan, and hermetic. Brown typically goes to fan for the condenser fan motor, yellow goes to hermetic for the compressor, and red or purple usually land on common, with purple often serving as the second leg for the fan circuit and red feeding the common bundle. Before disconnecting, take clear photos and label each lead with tape, then pull the spade connectors straight off using needle nose pliers to avoid loosening the tabs. Verify terminal names stamped on the capacitor top, C for common, fan for the fan motor, and Herm for the compressor. Never rely on position alone. Cross-check the unit's wiring diagram inside the service panel and the motor and compressor nameplate leads for color and function, since replacement motors sometimes use different colors. Use a multimeter to confirm continuity from each wire back to its component and to confirm the capacitor values match the nameplate microfarads within plus or minus 5%. Discharge the old capacitor with a resistor-rated discharge tool and confirm 0 volts before handling. Then crimp or replace any loose female spade terminals for a tight fit. A frequent mistake is assuming all brands follow the same colors. They do not, so always confirm by terminal labels and the diagram, not color alone. Another common issue is swapping common and fan, which can stall a motor or trip a breaker. Fix it by moving the brown to fan and the red or purple to common exactly as labeled. People also forget the fan-only start capacitor on some retrofits or aftermarket motors. If your new motor includes a separate brown and brown with white stripe, land brown on fan and brown with white stripe on common while keeping them isolated from the main common bundle unless the motor instructions say otherwise. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners quickly find local HVAC contractors who can service or rewire capacitors correctly and safely. We also help contractors get more jobs and share practical wiring tips in our discussion community where peers answer questions fast.